on the 4th, which I believe is Saturday, which is snuck up on us. We're going to be playing with some really cool local bands, Renton Tiger and Picture Atlantic, and another band. I don't think they're local, but they're still cool. They're called Lakes.
Yeah. From San Luis Obispo.
Yeah, from there. Lakes apparently just opened for Sheryl Crow somewhere.
Whoa.
So that's unique and exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's a pretty big deal.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And have Picture Atlantic played with Coldplay or something, right?
Yeah, they were opening with Coldplay for a while. They played Warped Tour. So Picture Atlantic's the headliner. And I think we're going to be doing a ticket giveaway.
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
So be sure to go to our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/handshaketunes. And we're going to give you a word that you can post on our page. The first one to do that will get 2 free tickets to the show this Saturday, which should be cool, at Bottom of the Hill here in San Francisco. So,
Alright, cool.
yeah. Alright, so we're going to do a song called Lemon.
This is a song that was written very quickly, and that was frightening in its own way.
Taste in my mouth, and a boyish face to block out, with the chemical smile and nothing else to think about. So I can't get right inside the freckled face that I found. Someone has cut my hair without my knowing. And when we meet again, a crescent moon and the sun will eclipse like broken puzzle pieces. And love is not what we say it is.